all. I hope you guys are doing good. I am Ritika and I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle and vlogs sometimes. So if you are new to my channel, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel because that will mean a lot to me. So let's get started with today's video. So basically today's video is a haul video and I have a lot of makeup products from Nykaa and Amazon. As you can see, I have ordered a lot of makeup products this time. These are not really new launches, but these are all new for me. I'm going to share my first impression while doing my makeup using these products, and also I'll give you a mini review. So yeah, I'm very excited for the video and I hope you guys are excited as well. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. So I have already opened the parcel and we have so many products, right? I mean, I just couldn't wait to open it in the video. So without any bug, let's just get started. I pretty much have everything, like from the base makeup to eye makeup. So let's start in the order. So basically I'm all done with the skin prep, like I have applied moisturizer and all. So we will start with the primer first. Also, let me tell you, this haul is going to be a very affordable and beginner friendly products, so all my teenage girlies can try out this festive season. So first I have this primer from Swiss Beauty. So this is Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer in the shade Natural Tint. So this is how the product looks like. Pretty good quality and luxurious. It comes in a glass bottle. So yeah, let's apply this. Before starting with the makeup, let me fix the hair situation in front. Yeah, perfect. Now we can finally start with the video. I'll take little bit of the product on the back of my hand. So yeah, I've taken 2 pumps of it. I don't know, it feels very hydrating. Let's see. Okay, this is hydrating. So I'm done applying the primer and I have to say this is so hydrating. I mean, I loved the product. Oh my god. There's a very subtle, natural kind of glow which I am absolutely loving. I feel like days when you want glowing skin but you are not in a mood of doing a lot of stuff, you can apply this primer, a little bit of tint on your cheeks and lips, and you're good to go for the day. I absolutely love it and you guys gonna definitely see me wearing this a lot now. So I am going to give this product a solid 9 out of 10. Also, there is a little bit of highlighting situation because this is a highlighting primer. Can you guys see my finger? They are all chamkila, but there are no chunky glitter particles. You know, the highlighting thing is very subtle and yeah, I absolutely love it. Okay, moving on to the concealer. I have this concealer from Swiss Beauty. I have a lot of product from Swiss Beauty. Basically, you're gonna see a lot, but yeah, I have tried this before in the same shade and I loved it. I don't know why I stopped using this, but I'm back at it and let's try it again. So as far as I remember, this used to be a full coverage, you know, concealer. I'm just going to apply a little bit on my under eyes, on my eyelids, on my chin. Also the areas I want to, you know, conceal. I actually have few acne marks and blemishes and pigmentation, of course, so I'm going to apply there. I like to keep my concealer for like 1 or 2 minutes and then blend. I feel like the coverage comes really nicely. Okay, let's blend now. The coverage is super pigmented, and it is high coverage, no doubt. If you are a high coverage person, then please go for it. You are not going to regret. Like, can you see? It just concealed all the darkness. I know a little bit of corrector would do a lot more justice, but okay, let me blend the entire face. Okay, one thing I would like to suggest you guys, please take little product, because a little bit of product goes long way. And you can clearly see I look like a ghost right now. Anyway, we are just going to blend it. I'm just using this foundation flat brush to blend the rest of the product. Okay, you can clearly see the shade match is completely wrong, and I have taken a lot of product, so yeah, I've done the blunder already. I'm gonna fix it anyway, so don't worry. मैं ये shade पहले use करती थी, and I thought this is going to match me right now as well, but I literally forgot that I am literally so tanned right now, and कुछ सालों पहले की shade बिल्कुल मैच नहीं करेगी. I would have gone for one shade down. I think फिर it would have turned beautifully. Okay, so leaving the shade and the blunder behind, if we just talk about the product, this is definitely a good product. This is very lightweight, full coverage, and it just covered all the acne marks and pigmentation quite well. You can also build it up, so yeah. So I am going to rate this product a solid 8 out of 10, and I'm just not cutting the marks for this blunder because ये मेरी गलती है. Let's move on to the next product. I have this BB cream from Mars. I've heard a lot of good things about this product, and I thought let's just try. It's high time. So मैंने अभी तक खोला नहीं है इसका packaging. Okay, this is how it looks like, quite chic and beautiful. Let's try and see how the product is. My face is already a blunder. I'll just apply this on my neck. I'm going to take the product on the back of my hand. I've taken this one. बस इस बार कोई blunder ना हो जाए इसको लेके. I'll cry. Oh god. Okay, let's apply. Okay, so I have a good feeling about this shade. Okay, I'm in love. The consistency is so light, and you can see it definitely has brightened my neck and also gave a very sheer to medium coverage. अब मुझे खुजली हो रही है कि मैं इसको फेस पे भी लगाऊं. Should I? I think I should. Let's see, अगर ये पूरा सिचुएशन फिक्स हो जाए तो सोने पे सुहागा. I think क्योंकि ये थोड़ा वार्म टोन में है ना, it is going to fix this whitish situation. Let's just hope, finger crossed. चलो, भगवान जो करता है अच्छे के लिए करता है. फिक्स हो गया मेरा ब्लंडर. यू कैन सी ये साइड ब्लंडर वाला साइड है, ये वाला फिक्स्ड साइड है, एंड यू कैन सी द क्लियर मैच. इट हैज़ लिटरली चेंज्ड इनटू something very high coverage. I mean, the base is completely high coverage at this point, and I'm loving this. Okay, so finally I'm done blending the entire face, and oh my god, I'm so thankful to Mars because it just saved the entire video for today. Oh my god, it just saved everything. So I'm going to rate this product 10 out of 10. Bas, nothing. Okay, so the next step is blush. Actually, I have two blush. I mean, one is tint and another one is blush. I'm going to apply the blush today, and don't worry, I'm going to swatch this for you guys. So let's just swatch this first. The Darling tint from Etude House. मुझे ये बहुत टाइम से लेना था, and finally, okay, so I'm gonna swatch. Oh my god, the pigmentation is real good. Okay, so let me blend. So this is how it looks like after blending. The coverage is pretty good. It has very natural, you know, that natural kind of flush that everyone dreams of. So yeah, I'm really excited to try it on my no makeup looks. So I'm going to rate this 8 out of 10. Good product. Okay, so coming on to this Swiss Beauty blush, I was actually really eyeing on this product, and finally, again, I've not opened the product till now, and this is how the product looks like. Quite pretty, right? So I'm going to again swatch a little bit of product on the back of my hand. So it has got a very, you know, satin kind of finish. Let me just apply it on my cheeks and then see. Okay, so I've applied two dots on both the sides, one and one on my nose and chin. I just can't stop applying blush on my chin. Okay, it is actually pretty good. I don't know, it is giving a very natural, you know, very feather satin. Let me blend these two. Okay, so I'm done blending, and this is looking so natural. It is giving a very subtle glow, and I think you can build this up to whatever shade you want to go for. I mean, the higher shade I'm talking about. So I'm quite liking this subtle glow, so I'm gonna just stop over here. Normally I really like blushes, like the overpowering blushes, but today I don't know, this is looking really nice. So I'm just gonna stop over here. I quite like this product, so I'm going to rate again 8.5 on 10. I mean, this is good only. I clearly forgot about this product. This is my OG product. This is from Lakme, and this is their compact powder. I mean, मैंने इसका कितना सारा टब ख़त्म किया, I have lost count, और मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को recommend भी किया है, but I don't know, this time they have changed the packaging or something, क्योंकि इससे पहले it used to come in that yellow tub. So अब ये आया है कुछ ऐसे golden color के packaging में, and it has also written 9 to 5. पहले ये 9 to 5 नहीं था, but yeah, I hope कि वो लोग इसका कुछ चेंज ना कर दें, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे ये बहुत पसंद है. ओके, लेट मी अप्लाई एंड सी कि कुछ गड़बड़ तो नहीं कर दिया लैक्मे वालों ने. ओके, आई एम सो हैप्पी बिकॉज लैक्मे वालों ने बस इसका पैकेजिंग चेंज किया है, इसका फॉर्मूला वही की वही है, एंड आई एम सो थैंकफुल अबाउट इट, क्योंकि मुझे मतलब मुझे इससे प्यार था लिटरली, मतलब अभी भी है. आई लिटरली लव दिस प्रोडक्ट, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली मैं हर दिन मेकअप नहीं करती हूँ, एंड आई जस्ट अप्लाई दिस कॉम्पैक्ट विथ अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ टिंट ऑन माई चीक्स, नोज एंड चिन एंड लिप बाम, एंड आई एम गुड टू गो. आई एम ऑल डन फॉर द डे. सो इसको चेंज कर देते वो लोग तो मैं पागल हो जाती. But yeah, this is a 10 on 10 product. You can definitely go for this one. This is my cult favorite, and this is going to stay forever with me. So yeah. Okay, so let's move on to the eyes now. I have literally ordered this Chotu Sa eyeshadow palette from Nykaa. I really wanted to buy this for a long time at this point, because these 4 shades are the most used 4 shades of my life, because I always reach out to these 4 shades, and because this is so tiny and so chic, and this is so travel friendly, so I wanted to get my hands on this palette. So let's just try. Guys, look at this. This is so cute. मतलब मैंने जब पैकेट खोला था ना, oh my god, I literally started kissing this. This is so cute. Okay, so I'll start with the most light shade first. So basically I've applied this shade on the outer corner. I'm going to apply this shade on the outer corner as well. I'm just going to apply a little bit, not a lot. These are so pigmented. This palette has got one shimmery shade and I'm just going to apply it on my inner corners. I'll apply this with my fingers only. Can you see the difference? I'm finally done applying eyeshadow and I'm loving it. The colors are really pigmented and of good quality and I quite like this product. So if you are in a search of good eyeshadow palettes, then you can definitely try these. These are so good. So I'm going to rate this product 8 out of 10. Now I'm just going to comb my eyebrows. I don't use any product on my eyebrows till now. I don't know about using them in future, but till now I don't really use any product on my eyebrows. I like to just brush them. I have one kajal from K by Katrina, I mean K Beauty, so let me try. I've never tried and honestly I'm not a kajal person that much, but my mama loves using kajal and this is basically for her, so I'm just gonna try and give you like an honest opinion. This is what the product looks like. This is so smooth, this is so pigmented. I just swiped once and it gave this beautiful jet black color. Let me wear this on my other eye. I think I quite like the kajal look of my eyes. What do you guys think? Please let me know. I think for me, I would rate this 9 out of 10. This is so good. बहुत टाइम के बाद मैंने कुछ अच्छा सा काजल ट्राई किया and I quite like it. Okay, so I have this eyeliner from Inside Cosmetics and I quite love this brand. See, honestly मुझे अच्छे से लाइनर पहनना नहीं आता, but whenever I do apply, I apply this kind of gel eyeliner like this pen, sketch pen eyeliner, यही बोलते हैं शायद इसको. I've ordered this for the first time and let me use and see कि ये कैसा है. Also please excuse me, I'm going to wear this off camera क्योंकि ऐसे this is not possible, so I'll try. ओके थैंकफुली कुछ ज़्यादा गड़बड़ नहीं हुआ एंड आफ्टर सो मैनी ईयर्स एक ढंग का लाइनर लगाया मैंने, वो भी बहुत छोटे से विंग पे. टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट, दिस इज़ अ रियली गुड एंड बिगिनर फ्रेंडली प्रोडक्ट क्योंकि मेरे से ये ड्रॉ हो गया तो you guys gonna kill it with this product. So I'm gonna rate this product a solid 8.5 out of 10. Good product. Okay, now I have this highlighter palette and this is from Mars. It has got 6 shimmer shades, I mean highlighting shades. So let's open this. I like this packaging. This is so chic. You are getting 6 different beautiful shades and what else can you ask for? I mean Mars just do a lot with their products and I really love the brand. I'm really looking forward to try more products from Mars, so you guys can expect a lot of these kind of hauls and try on videos. So please stay tuned, and if you guys have still not subscribed to my channel, then what you are doing? What are you doing? Please pause the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, now talking about this highlighter, it has got golden, bronze, copperish, whitish, pinkish and a lot of shades basically. I'm going to use this shade and let's see how it works. I'm just going to apply it on my nose. Wow, Mars, this is so good. Oh god, can you see this? This is so pretty. Oh my god, this is so pretty. It is giving me a very subtle kind of glow and I am clearly loving this product. I just don't like that chunky glittery highlighters. This is absolutely perfect for my likings and definitely a hit for me. I'm going to rate this product a solid 10 out of 10 because This is a bomb product. Okay, next up I have these two lip liners from Swiss Beauty. I just love all their products, but their lip liners, oh my god, they are so affordable and so good quality. So I'm going to swatch both of these for you guys. This is in the shade Cute Nude. Okay, this is a very beautiful nude color. I quite like it. I think इसका एक lipstick shade भी आता है, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, this is so beautiful. I am so excited to try this. And the other one is Bright Maroon. So again, ooh, this is just perfect for your festive makeup. I think I'm going to use this shade Cute Nude. I don't really have any lipsticks in this haul, so I've applied this lip liner all over my lips, and I can say I'm clearly loving this shade. This is so cute. I think this is a perfect nude shade. I just forgot about this lip balm that I have ordered. This is from Dot & Key, and this is their Barrier Repair Ceramide Plus Peptide Lip Balm with SPF 50 PA+++, and this is in the shade Red Romance. This is how it looks like, quite pretty and cute. I think I'll apply this on my lips. Just look at this shade that I created accidentally. The perfect amount of nude and gloss and pink, everything in one lip color. This is looking so good in real life, but I don't know why the camera is just not doing justice. But your girl just made a very pretty and perfect shade, and your girl is going to wear it. I mean, this is going to be my everyday shade from now. Talking about these two lip liners, they are my absolute favorite for quite a long time at this point, and the shades are to die for. You can definitely pick any of these and just choose your shade accordingly, and they are so affordable. I'm going to rate these lip liners a solid 10 out of 10. And talking about this lip balm, this is quite hydrating. There is no chip whatsoever, and the color is so cute and pretty. I'm sure I'm going to wear it without the lip liner and with the lip liner every day. So yeah, you can also go for this one. It is not only hydrating, but it also has good amount of SPF, because your lips are also prone to sun damage. And yeah, just protect your lips, because they are so thin and they get damaged and pigmented so quick. So yeah, you can just go for this one. This is so good. I'm going to rate this lip balm a solid 8 out of 10. I almost forgot this hero product. This is a mascara by Mars, and I have heard so many good things about this mascara. I finally got my hands on this one, so let's just try and see what is the hype about. Guys, just look at the bristles. This is so cute and giant. I'm having again a very good feeling about this product. I don't know, but Mars is a very trustable brand for me. I can clearly understand the hype. You guys need to see my lashes right now. Can you see how big my lashes are looking? Oh my god. ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने कोई फॉल्सीज लगाया है, बट look at my lower lashes. They are looking so damn pretty. I have clearly found my perfect and most favorite mascara, and I'm so glad I did. This is so beautiful. I'm going to rate this product a solid 10 out of 10. We are almost towards the end of the video. For the last product, I have this makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty. I have already used their makeup fixers in the past. They are so good and waterproof. I don't know, this is something else. Okay, this is their matte makeup fixer. It says it locks up to 16 hours. It is waterproof and with aloe vera extracts. Let's just try it on. Okay, this is how the bottle looks like. It looks quite similar like the previous one. Let's apply and see how matte it is. I don't see anything matte. I mean, my makeup is quite glossy, but the only thing I did not like about this product is that the product that is coming out is a very big in quantity. I mean, the spray is not fine, like the spray is not precise, it's like coming in chunks and falling into my face. For now, that is all I can say about this product, because I have to wear it more to see how long it stays and how waterproof is this. So I'm going to rate it 7 out of 10. I don't really like it that much, but I used to like the previous one. The spray of that bottle was really precise. I don't know if this bottle is not working nicely, or all the products are like this. I don't know, but if you guys have tried this product before, then please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know all your feedbacks if you guys have tried all these makeup products. So yeah, with that we are towards the end of today's video. The only thing we need right now is one bindi. Perfect, right? I don't know, I feel like bindi just changes the entire look, and bindi makes you so beautiful. So yeah, this is the final look, you guys, that I've created just in front of you using all the new products. And I have also shared all my first impression and honest review with you guys. I hope you guys liked today's video, because I have tried something new and I hope you guys will love it. And if you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because that will mean a lot to me. So if you're interested in this kind of videos, then please let me know. I'll be super happy to make one for you guys. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I am super happy and grateful to each and every one of you, those who have subscribed to my channel, and I am also looking forward to a bigger YouTube family. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye, take care, love you. Mwah.